Hello there. So today we're going to make a robin decoration for a Christmas tree, or just a thing really. Okay, so I have here my favourite mug, which is also my broken needle mug. So it's got all sorts of things. Just trace around the bottom, and you can see that I've traced around it loads of times before. And I'm just going to guess where the circle is, the centre is, and it doesn't matter if I get it completely wrong. It will just mean that we have a very distinguished looking owl. Robin. Okay, now one of the things we need to do is we need to find the centre mark, and we're going to go just around there, slightly below if anything, and do a semicircle. So when I cut the brown felt, I think I'm going to cut the white felt in a circle, then brown for that, and of course he needs the red breast. So I'm going to just go to the centre again, and what I'll do is just draw a line to there, and you can see that if I'd have carried on that, it would have been another semicircle. And of course this line works however low or far you come down. Now I can freehand a little circle, so I'm just going to do that, but if you can find something the right sort of size just to trace round, I have a glue canister here which might work. It might be a bit too big. So I know the tricky thing is finding circles. And then of course yellow beak, and we need to do a beaky black eye. And then the tail. Now the tail is very simply not quite a triangle, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to fold it in half. I can, with my tape measure, mark a centimetre, and with my other end, so this is probably 5 centimetres apart, I'm going to mark half a centimetre. And then I'm just going to join those two lines with a ruler so that I've got my shortened triangle. Okay, I've got my cutting out to do, and I'll be right back with you. So, welcome back. Now I've made a good start. I've got it all pinned, ready to go, and I've placed it in the sewing machine. Now the smaller things are, the more fiddly they are. And as tradition dictates, Christmas decorations, I suppose, are quite small. So I'm going to go very slowly, and if I have trouble, I can always lift up my foot and push things underneath. Now because I have the wing from one side, the main body, and then the wing from the other, I do need to check that I'm sewing all the required bits of fabric. And of course I need to make sure that my pins are out of the way as well. So I'm just coming up the back, and any adjustments, maybe I need to push the head in a bit more, I can do. Now I didn't say when we cut this out, but if you do have a piece of ribbon or something, then what we can do is we can put the needle down, lift the foot, and we can put that piece of ribbon in there, making sure that all the ends are neatly tucked away. So, and then carry on sewing as slowly as you can. There we are. I'm just going to turn the whole of the robin just to continue and carry on the line where I started. So there we are, we have our finished robin. We do need to either stitch on an eye or maybe use a button or something, but there we are, a very simple little chap, and made by your own fair hand. Thank you ever so much for watching.